Hi there, welcome to BSF Recovery Team. Well, we've had a real busy past couple of weeks. As some of you might know, we're planning on traveling more with the wrecker this fall. But in order to do that, we needed to add a truck to the BSF Recovery Team fleet. Even though the red dually over here, the Duramax, has worked hard for me for quite a few years now, pulling our big gooseneck trailer with our toys on it, the tow truck and Jeeps and such. I don't know that we want to rely on it to head all the way out to Sand Hollow. So we decided that we needed to add another truck to the BSF Recovery Team fleet. You want to see what it is? Some of you might have already seen it on the BSF Recovery Team's Facebook page. Let's take a look. Well, here it is, a 2009 GMC Top Kick 4500 series, four-wheel drive, four-door cab, and right now it's supporting a IMT Dominator service bed. This bed is really neat. It's got 4,000-pound crane on it, cabinets. Some of the cabinets have got parts drawers in it, and it's also got a Tommy lift gate or a lift gate on the back. That would actually be kind of neat to keep, but unfortunately the gooseneck trailer won't work with this bed, so we had to get another one. Incidentally, this bed is going to be for sale. I posted it up on Craigslist and Facebook Marketplace. If you're interested, I'll try and put a link in the description of this video, and of course if it's sold, I will try and remove that link. So if you don't see the link, it might be sold. But we have to put a bed on it. We have to change out the bed. So I talked to a buddy of mine down at what used to be Truck Utilities of Minnesota. Now they call it One Source, Custom Truck One Source, I think. Anyway, he gave me a deal on this bed right here. An 11-foot flatbed, tall headache rack for the Kodiak cab, an integrated gooseneck hitch, and skirting around the rear. So we got to unload that bed, and eventually we're going to take the service bed off of the new truck and put this bed on so we can haul our trailer. Right now though, we got to unload this bed off of this trailer. What do you think we should do to get that bed off? I think we should play with the crane on the service bed. What do you think?
Jeff and Eric are undoing the new bed. Tug, Jeff, tug.
get it out.
You turn the hook towards the. You turn the hook. Towards the side.
Now, how do you do that again, Eric? You turn the hook to the side. Sorry, this is funny to me.
I don't know. I did it on the other one. It came out.
Well, that is the left side, and you are left-handed, so maybe you need a right-handed person to do it. Ha ha, funny. Yeah, I know he's not laughing.
Okay.
You got a craner's license for that?
No, I don't have a crane license.
Well, then you can't operate it.
Don't tell anybody. This thing's pretty neat.
Yeah, that's not happening. Okay, you're at the end of your rope.
Okay, you're there. Now rotate.
haul it, but I still have a wrecker.
Thank you, Jeff.
Well, that was kind of fun. Might be sad to see this go, but we got to get this box off, get this one on so we can start hauling our trailer with it. Stay tuned for more of the GMC Top Kick build for a trailer hauler. Thanks for watching, BSF Recovery Team. Keep wheeling, be safe out there, and maybe we'll see you out in the woods.
Or the sand.
Or Sand Hollow.